Okay, let's talk about childlike versus childish, especially at work. People who live in the world of credentials, who keep referring to this is the college that I went to, this is the person that I know, this is what I've achieved in life, all the external, the roti kapda makan. That's extremely childish. What's happening more and more is you are now in the world of readiness and not credentials, and the sooner you get it, I think the faster you'll grow up. Second, people who live either in the past or in the future, and most people live in the past because even to build the future, you need a certain insight. So what it does, it kind of takes you away from taking the responsibility of the present moment. So if you're somebody's ad hoc last minute thought, and to kind of cover up for that discomfort of not being consistent, they kind of stay either they stay in the past stories, or the future stories are even hard. So they typically live in the past, right? So number two. Number three, coping mechanisms which just serve you and nobody else. For example, if I decide to throw my weight around, or misbehave, or get drunk, etc., it's on me. It's full responsibility on me, and I'll pay the price for it. There is no getting away from that. So more and more with the chaos that's coming, you might as well increase your emotional distress, and I'm maybe talking to myself at this point, then to kind of complain about it. More and more you will look for people who have very high emotional tolerance, emotional distress tolerance, and who are emotionally and energetically very mature. You would not really care about the logical ones, because when it comes to emotions and energy, they will fail you. They will not answer questions which sound too deep, because depth is not where they're comfortable. They're very, very good with the surface. They're very good with the drinking and the partying and all of that. But anything deeper, they will go quiet on you most of the time, or they will put you into a social situation that you may not want to be part of. Number four. People who so a childlike person has a massive level of curiosity. They'll ask lots of questions, whereas a childish person will ask a question because they want to deflect you, or they want to buy time, or they want to prove that they're smarter than you. There's a quality of the question that is childlike versus childish. So anybody who's trying to prove that I am smarter than you is childish, and anybody who's doing this because they just haven't done enough deep work, and then they bring these questions just as a way to deflect, just as a way to buy more time, that is very, very childish. And the world will not reward this, because it is getting more and more real time, which means your instinctive understanding of what needs to be done, and then doing it instead of getting into this paralysis of analysis and being this constant, the mental engine. Not going to serve anyone. So simple stuff to figure out what's childish versus childlike at work, and be on the side of childlike. You need massive curiosity. You need massive non-linear linkages to grow.